Hello, hello, friends. It is Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It is Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the creations that I made throughout the week. In the description box below will be links to all of the original blog posts or videos for each creation. So let's get on with it. Excuse me. All right. Monday, we had Mermaid Monday, and I had this sweet little mer baby and her friend, and I have to say, as cute and as adorable they are, their names just make me giggle every time. It's Splash and Wiggles. They're from Sweet November Stamps, and I just think they're adorable. I kept the card very simple so that they would like shine, you know, they'd be like the center spotlight. And this is a Newton's Nook die set that does this square. Again, everything is linked below for like the blog post about it. I like how I did the inside, kept it simple, but it still looks kind of nice. But yes, they make me smile. They're so cute. Splash and Wiggles. Next up, I have this one for Paper Nest Dolls. I colored her up. So that video will hopefully be linked below if I remember to do that. I used my new die that I got from Tailored Expressions for the frame on the outside. I did some strategic placement of the sentiment because as I was outlining her with a black marker, I got black marker on her leg, so I just put the sentiment over that to cover that up, added some sequins, so you're the best. And then I just added some strips on the inside for her. But I think she has the right idea for summer. She is Ice Cream Ellie, and my goodness, 3 scoops. She's really going to stay cool this summer. Then we had, excuse me, an Instagram hop for Craft and Kimmy to celebrate the June 2022 release. I used the Carnival Critters for mine, and I couldn't decide on which one to use, so I used them all. And I did use my new Simple Stories, I don't remember the name of it, paper pack that I got on my crafty road trip. So that was fun, and some crafty dots. Just a cute little card with those critters. And I stamped one on the inside. And then I have this card. If you watched on Call Me Crafty Owl's channel last Saturday, I was on there for her Oh So Inspired series, and this is the card that I created. I'm also using it for inspiration for my challenge group because the current challenge had a theme of hello. So I'm going to use it for inspiration for that. But you can definitely go and watch that video. Lots and lots of fun. And if you haven't ever joined us for an Oh So Inspired, I hope that you will consider doing that. They are fun to see what everyone creates using the same inspiration. And I did stamp one of those little unicorns on the inside of that. That will be going in the mail. And then I ended the week with Lemon, Ellie, I think. Sorry. Again, everything will be linked below. And I used some paper from the Not Too Shabby shop. I just thought it was so fun to have her holding that lemon and have those bright, fun colors. And I used some This Calls for Confetti. And then on the inside, You Make My Life a Little Less Sour. That is a stamp from an old La La Land Club craft kit. And I added some banners on the inside. I had lots of fun. Purple for me is one of the hardest colors to work with because there are so many different shades of it and it's really hard to match up. I didn't do it perfectly here, but it did turn out cute and she just makes me smile. So there are my creations for this week. Not as many as I had on my list to create, but I'm still kind of getting back in the groove after being on the crafty road trip. I'm a very much introverted person, and then since I stay at home because of my ankles, which I'm trying to work on. But anyways, when I do things like that crafty road trip, it really kind of wipes me out for quite a while. So I'm slowly getting back into my groove. I have a very long to-do list for my craftiness. So hopefully coming up soon, you'll have lots of things to see from me. Until my next video, I hope you have a great day, stay cool, and get crafty.